So hello everyone, today I would like to show you our poultry farms surroundings. Here you can see a narrow gate where I just came through it, and you can see a mill where it is a mill where I also can come from inside. Here some workers working. You can see a machine works, and here is the space where some vegetables are growing. You can see here is tomato, well, and you can see here some other vegetables. Then here is another one. You can see. Can you see? It is locally called lau. So yes, and I'm going to now inside of the farm, as my brother is out of the city, so I have to feed the chicks today. Then I just returned from school, as the women empowerment training is going on, so I had to visit there as well. I'm going to just unlock the key. Okay, let me do it. Okay, I just unlocked. Oh, kind of known smell. Yeah. Oh, yes. So here I am inside of the farm now. Here you can see some food and the chicks now here. So I'm going to unlock the another gate to show you what it is. This one, I think. Okay, not this one, this one. Okay, it is unlocked. So here is the river. You can see a big river which is called Shurma, and now I am going to start the